It's not every day you see an A380 in the snow. This plane, it's enormous, twice as big as some others. And today it's landing in a blizzard. The runway, a ribbon of white, the air thick with flakes. What a sight. Inside the cockpit, Captain Lim is calm. Years of flying, he's seen it all, but snow, especially this much, demands respect. His eyes scan the instruments, checking and double-checking. He feels the plane, anticipating its every move. The A380, a giant bird, begins its descent. Flakes swirl around it, blurring its outline. The wings, wide as a football field, cut through the falling snow. Each movement slow and deliberate, like a dance in the blizzard. On the ground, snowplows work tirelessly. Their orange lights a beacon in the whiteout. The runway needs to be clear. Even a little snow can be dangerous. Every landing is a team effort, especially in this weather. Captain Lim eases the plane lower. He feels the wind shifting and gusting. Snow reduces visibility. It makes the runway slippery. Landing an A380 is like landing a small town. It takes incredible skill. The first officer calls out altitudes, speed, wind shear readings. Their voices calm and steady. In the cabin, passengers watch nervously. Some close their eyes. Others peer out the windows, mesmerized by the swirling snow. The A380 kisses the runway. The tires, specially designed for this, grip the tarmac. Reverse thrusters roar, slowing the plane down, the landing smooth as silk, a testament to skill and experience. The plane taxis slowly, a majestic beast in a world of white. Inside, passengers erupt in applause. Relief washes over them. Captain Lim smiles. Another safe landing, another day at the office, even when the office is